So you came over here because you wanted something to eat. Will you eat this cracker? Ow! You got my finger, dude. Do you want another one? Was that a yes? I missed it. Hold on, let me get another cracker. Here. Want another one? Don't get my finger. Ow! You know, you can eat them after they fall on the ground, too. Want another one? I got more. You don't like crackers? You would rather have French fries, I think. Come here. Hey. Yo. You want more crackers? Come here. Here, come on. Here, you want some more? Come get it. Moving on to somebody else, huh? You've been going to all the cars around here seeing if anybody had French fries. You want to get that one? Oh, that was a no. Okay. Well, I gotta go. I'll see you later. Bye, buddy. Oh, bye.